everybody, today in front of me I have a HUAWEI Y70, and in this video we would like to demonstrate how you can download and install the Opera browser on it. So first of all, you would like to launch the HUAWEI app gallery, skip the ad, next at the search bar type in Opera. Once the needed app is found, click on the install button and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed respectively. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and launch the Opera and set it up. In here, just tap on the blue continue button. Next, there are some options that you can either enable from the start or skip and leave the configuration of those features for later. I'll personally enable ad blocking, enable checker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Lastly, there is the page that allows you to either customize the permissions and accesses that you are going to grant to Opera, or allow everything that it needs and start using the browser. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.